Hey, welcome back. I'm Erica Bell. If you are new here, I am a professional organizer. So usually I share organizing tips and tricks with y'all. Go figure. But I've started kind of doing some life hack type things, general life tips and tricks, because I know I love those types of things. And usually they're like big game changers for me. So I just have to share. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about cleaning, and I'm here in my bathroom. So say you just scrubbed your toilet down, you just scrubbed your shower, which that's like one of my least favorite chores. So if you guys have any tips on making it better, let me know. You washed down your countertops, but I'm going to ask you something and I want you to answer honestly. If you're brave enough, tell me in the comments. When is the last time you cleaned your makeup brushes? Yeah. This is me thinking about it. If you can't remember, it's been too long. So it is one of those things that is so oddly satisfying to clean. Y'all, I'm like super into those like satisfying cleaning videos right now. Like I can watch someone clean their carpet. It's awesome. But your makeup brushes are like that. It's so funny because they just get so much buildup and they get neglected. We forget to do it. All of us kind of do. So you may be thinking, okay, I don't remember the last time I did it. I don't even know how to do it. A lot of people don't even know you're supposed to. So I've got a couple products that I've used before. And one is the Bare Minerals Well Cared For brush shampoo. And then the other one that a friend of mine told me about this is from Trader Joe's, and it's fruit and vegetable wash. Okay. So I'll be honest, I don't remember how much this one is. I'll link it because I do love this Bare Minerals one, but this bottle is definitely going to be cheaper. You're going to get more bang for your buck. So I'll kind of wash some with this and some with this one, and we can just kind of see, and like I said, I'll link both of them. And then the next thing is, okay, so now you know how to wash them, like what to use. I'm going to show you how to wash them, but then also how often should you wash them. So if you look up online, some people say every day, some people say every 7 to 10 days. I would not suggest washing them every day. It's kind of like anything else. If you wash it too much, your brushes are going to kind of get run down. The bristles are going to break more easily. But weekly to me is a solid time frame to do it. And what I have done, because again, I have kept forgetting to do this for so long, is I just put a note in my phone. So if I say weekly, then I gave myself a day. Sunday sounded like a good day to me. I put the reminder in my phone, in my calendar, and until it becomes kind of second nature, until it becomes part of my Sunday routine, I'll just have it in my calendar. So then it'll remind me, maybe I'll get up, do my makeup, go to church, all that. And then later that afternoon when the kids are napping, I'll wash my brushes. Because you want to give it, usually at least the brushes I use take about a day to dry. So if you're going to use them the next day, just kind of plan for that and make sure they're dry enough. So with that, let's get washing. All right, so I usually put just a towel out, washcloth, anything to have them dry on. So I'm just gonna read you guys like the directions that's on the back of this one. It says, apply a dime size amount of shampoo onto a damp brush and massage under running water. Angle your brush head downward and rinse thoroughly, squeeze excess water, reshape, dry flat. So the biggest thing is you don't need a lot, and you want them to you don't want the whole thing to get wet. So only get as much wet as you really need to, and then just reshape it, dry it. And that says to dry them flat. I usually dry them kind of like this, but anyways, all right, let's do it. So I'm getting it wet. I kind of massage it out. Just put a little bit on. And then, look, you're gonna see all the grime coming out of it. And I'm gonna do it again because I don't feel. The other thing I like to do sometimes is just put it, my hands are clean, put it directly in my hand, and you can kind of like do like this, and it kind of gets in there really good. Oh my gosh, look, see? Ooh, doggy. And just keep doing that and squeezing the water out until it's good. But see how I have it like angled down, you know, so you don't want to like do this because then the water's going to get down here. It's going to mess with your brushes. It's not going to dry well. Okay. And then I just like to lay it, I kind of lay them face down like that because then the water can drip out of it. That's just what I do. And, you know, reshape it however, or lay it like this. But I like to do that because then the water drains better. All right, so let's try the fruit and vegetable wash this time. And it's not thick as the Bare Minerals shampoo. So I may need to wash it a couple times because it may not cling to it as well. But yeah, you can see it's still getting the grime out. I'm gonna do it again. Again, it's since it's been a while since I've done mine. Confession. And this one is still dirty. I'm gonna do it again. All right, then kind of dry off. You can pat dry, you know, if it's pretty wet still, just kind of pat dry it. Fluff it out, let it dry. Then just keep going for all your brushes. You can see it may be a good idea to take the jewelry off. I don't think these shouldn't mess with your jewelry, but you know, it's kind of splashing on me. It's probably not a big deal, but you know, some of your makeup may stain, and if it gets on you, or I don't think the actual shampoo and cleaning products will make anything stain, but probably a better idea just to take it off. And one thing I love about cleaning my brushes is how soft they feel after. After they dry, they feel so much softer. All right, so I know these, my daughter has gotten into makeup. She's 4.5. So she used these and was like pressing them down, you know, just totally messing them up. And so I know these are gonna be pretty dirty. Because of course she wants to wear pinks and purple makeup, but then she really wants the dark makeup too. And the brushes I like mostly are the Bare Minerals brushes. I've just always really loved them. They've lasted for years. They've held up really well. So I'll link some of those, and they're super soft. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. So let me know, are you diligent about cleaning your makeup brushes, or have you like never ever cleaned them before? No shame, don't worry, you don't know what you don't know. Let me know, please comment, chat with me a bit, and if you have liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing with someone else you think would like it. Make sure to tune back in each week. I've got new videos and I look forward to chatting with y'all soon. Thanks.